Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to fix Prizepicks fail to verify identity. Having trouble verifying your identity on Prizepicks? In this quick guide we will explain why this happens and how to fix it. So let's get started. There are several reasons why your identity verification might fail on Prizepicks. These include incorrect personal details like name, date of birth or address, blurry or unreadable ID photos, mismatched information between your Prizepicks account and official ID, using a restricted or unsupported form of identification. To solve this issue, double check that your name, date of birth, and address match exactly as they appear on your government issued ID. If your ID photo was blurry, take a new picture in good lighting, ensuring all details are clear. Use a valid government issued ID such as driver license, and passport. Ensure your Prizepicks account isn't already linked to a different identity. If you have tried these steps and still face issues, contact Prizepicks support. Go to the help center in the app or visit their website to submit a request with your issue and supporting documents. And that's it. Now you know how to fix identity verification issues on Prizepicks. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.